Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Price reduced on this house. Discover serenity and island charm with this beautiful 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom home. It is nestled in the heart of Jamaica at the gated Twin Palm Estate, Clarendon, where family and wholesome entertainment meets with beautiful views of the Caribbean Sea. The house has been thoughtfully designed to cater to your every desire. Step inside and be captivated by the grandeur located in a gated oasis, ideal for family events plus memorable moments. There's an impressive home theater, private office for seamless remote work plus a guest room. A well appointed pantry ensures you have everything at your fingertips, and the balconies provide tranquil spaces to enjoy the sea breeze. Elevate your living experience with modern comfort, including cool AC units, custom blinds for added privacy, a top of the line surveillance system for enhanced security, solar panels, water tanks, plus generator to be prepared for any scenario. The house sits on zero point 0.2 acres of land. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $389,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.